Hey friends, welcome back. I am at, what is it called? The Vitamin Shop. So I wanted to come in here and pick up some keto snacks. I know you guys recently seen that Dollar Tree one, and I know some people were like, oh, that's not the cleanest. So we're gonna step it up, bring in a little bougie. Obviously the price is gonna be significantly more, but I got the kids with me today. But obviously, you know, it's gonna be a little bit cleaner and a little bit more keto friendly. And yeah, so I wanted to come in here. As you know, we are doing the March challenge, so we're really trying to up our game, get summer body ready, all the things. And yeah, so I wanted to come in here and get a couple things for March to get me through. And I'm looking for particularly the Keto Hydrate. I really like that. I got it at GNC last time, so I'm hoping they have it here. And I think some Quest chips, because Leo requested those, and they're kind of a good thing to have for lunches, so I can just throw them in his lunchbox. So, and Brea likes them as well. So, yeah, let's go in here. Let's see what they got, and then we'll do a haul when we get back. If you guys are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Danielle. We do this keto thing quite a few times during the week, and it's a good place to be. We would love for you to stick around, so please remember to subscribe, put your notification bell on. That's my Becky. We got Sophie. Rhea has school today. That's the disadvantage of being in high school, right? Right. All right, guys, I'm parked, so don't worry. They're good. But all right, let's go in here and see what we can get. Hey guys, welcome back. So we are back from the Vitamin Shop. I got a bag here, a big old bag. So this is about 50 bucks. Yeah. So I know that people sometimes, like when I'll do like keto treats at the Dollar Tree or Dollar General or something like that, people say, oh, you know, they're not the best, or they're not great quality, they're super dirty keto, which I understand, but I try to do stuff that is affordable and realistic to your everyday person. I bought these things to last us the whole month of March, because we don't eat them every day. These aren't like a eat every day type of thing. And honestly, I bought a lot of these for my husband, who is doing really well with watching what he's eating, and I really want to encourage him to keep going. So yeah, I bought some of them, and I also bought like one thing for my kids, and I bought a supplement. So yeah, they did not have that Keto Hydrate, which was the like drink that you it's kind of like a Gatorade. It's really good, but they only sell that at GNC. So anyways, let me show you what I got. First thing I picked up was the Quest tortilla chips. These are the loaded taco. We love these ones. Super good. 4 grams of carbs for the whole bag, so not bad at all. And they're really tasty. So I got these ones. And then I also got these chili lime, which I low-key like the chili lime better than the taco one. So if you guys ever seen these, see what they look like. We got sunshine. We don't know how to act, but these are the chili lime, and these are 3 net carbs for the whole bag. So, and they're really good. So I picked those up. I got 2 different Quest cookies. We got the peanut butter chocolate chip and just the chocolate chip. They are, let's see, the chocolate chip is 4 net carbs and less than 1 gram of sugar, and it is for the whole cookie. Okay, so you could see this one, and it has like the macros on there. But I tried the, I think it's like Larry and David's, or Larry and Henry and David's, or whatever it's called. And they have a keto one, and I did not like it. I thought it was very dry. So I definitely prefer the Quest cookies for those. I think they're pretty filling too. And you could also do like a keto Cool Whip with them, or if you wanted to do like some like keto ice cream, do like an ice cream sandwich, cut these in half and do one, that would be hella fire. So I like the chocolate chip, and then I also got the peanut butter chocolate chip, and this has 5 net carbs in them, and they are pretty big, and they're nice and thick too. Like you can see in the packaging, these aren't small. So like comparing to my hands, like they're pretty good size. And sometimes if you guys are lucky, you can even find these at a gas station. If you guys are getting ready to do some like road tripping for spring break, or you know, your kids are in sports or whatever, these are great to have in like your bag or in your car, and you can pop them open with a large water. They will sit heavy, so they will fill you up. So I got those. I got these for my children. These are the Gummy Cuties, Echinacea, Vitamin C and Zinc, Immune Boost Vitamin. I don't take these, but my kids, you know, they got sick a couple weeks ago. They had like a virus not like the one going around, but they just had like an upper respiratory virus thing. And, you know, I just want them to stay healthy. So I always try to give them immunity vitamins with their additional like multivitamin. So I picked these up for them because they only like them in gummies. So just trying to keep them healthy. Remember, before we panic, wash your hands. Nothing will beat hand washing, okay? Hand washing is like the best universal precaution there is in the world. Wash your hands. If you're sick, stay home. There you go. Okay, but yeah. I got this for myself. This is Dandelion Root. Dandelion Root is awesome for like when you're bloated, or, you know, sometimes when you're starting off on a new regimen, you tend to retain a little bit of water, especially if you're just starting keto or starting a new workout routine. You will notice you get a little bloated, or if you're like on your period, or if you have something that's too salty, whatever. So Dandelion Root, I like doing these better than like, what is it, like the Duramax or something like that, the like over-the-counter water pills that they sell at like the grocery or at the pharmacy. I'm not a fan of those. These ones are natural and they work really well. There's also a Dandelion Root tea. But yeah, so I'll take a couple of these. These are 3 capsules once daily. So, you know, as always, check with your physician if you're starting any of these. But I like them and they're kind of hard to find. So I just picked them up from there. I think these are like 14 bucks. But there's a ton in here, 100 of them. So, and you don't take them every day. Leo specifically asked for these. He loves them. These are the Nature Fuel Keto Fat Bombs. So, let's see. 0 sugar added. They do taste like a Reese's. We had them before and they were pretty good. They have 2 carbs per, oh yeah, right here. You can't see it. So 2 net carbs per little cup. That's what they look like. And they're pretty thick too. They're not like real flimsy. So I really like these ones. I got 3 of them. These are good for like a sweet tooth. They're really, really good. So, and if you didn't want to make your own fat bombs, these are really easy. Again, you could have them in your lunch bag or keep them in your gym bag or in your purse, in your car, wherever. They're super travel friendly. And I know a lot of us are busy and we're on the go, and especially now with like spring happening and things are going to start popping up and you're trying to stay keto, but you're like too busy and sometimes you just don't even have time to meal prep. These are great things that'll help fill you up, especially with a big thing of water. Will really sit heavy in the belly and get you through until you can get yourself where you need to go to get your meals ready. So I picked up 3 of these. This was a new one. This is the Fit Factor Keto Protein Bar. It has 1 gram of sugar and it has 6 carbs in it, which is kind of a lot. The guy kind of talked me into it. This is the Coconut Crunch Keto Protein Bar. He told me it tastes like the Samoas from like the Girl Scout cookies. So this is what it's called, the Perfect Keto. Oh, it's not what it's called. It's called the Fit Factor Keto Protein Bar. The hell? And again, it has like the chocolate coconut. So this is kind of steep for carbs for me. For like a bar, I'd rather eat something. But it has 17 grams of fat, so this will sit heavy on you. And it's super clean too. Like the ingredients on here, it's coconut oil, stevia extract, MCT oil, grass-fed butter. So it's, I'm trying to see if there's anything. No. Prebiotic fiber syrup. I don't know what that is. That sounds kind of suspect, but we'll see. But we got those. And I want to say all of these are all sweetened with stevia extract. Yeah, stevia leaf extract for these. I don't know about the Quest. Let's see what the Quest has. Let's see. The Quest ones are legit my favorite though. Yep, stevia. It's also baked with stevia. Soluble corn fiber and erythritol. So it's clean. It's clean. I know you guys are all here for like the clean keto and the clean keto snacks. So we coming up with some. We paying extra for the cleanness, but we find them. Here's another one. Leo likes this one. He asked me to pick it up. This is the Kiss My Keto Fueled by Fat Ketogenic Bar. This is the chocolate chip cookie dough. This has 3 net carbs in it. You guys have ever seen these? Can I have this upside down? No, that's good. This is what it looks like. Can you see? It's like hard because of, there you go. That's what they look like. They're pretty good. I mean, they're not very sweet, so this is sweetened with purified stevia extract, erythritol, cocoa powder, cocoa nibs, sea salt, cashews. Yeah, so, and then again, this is 3 carbs. So that's not bad, 3 carbs for a bar. This is actually pretty good, considering what the other ones were. And then Leo was like, okay, if you go there, see if you can find this. Last time I got it was at GNC, but this is the FBomb Nut Butter. This is the macadamia pecan with sea salt. Leo said this was delicious. So this is what it looks like. Because I had called him and I was like, all right, I'm going here. You guys, you need anything? And he like gave me a list. So this is what I got. He said that it's super easy. Don't forget to like knead these because the oil will settle. You knead them and he said you just rip it off and just like eat it on his way home. This has a total of 1 net carb, 21 fat, and 2 protein. And literally it's super clean. The ingredients are dry roasted macadamia nuts, raw pecan nuts, and sea salt. So, I mean, that's pretty good. This is super clean. So it's keto friendly, paleo, vegetarian, vegan, dairy free, and peanut free. So that's what we got, this little boy. All right, guys, so I'm going to wrap this up. Hopefully, I know I tried to kind of touch on things for everyone. So there's something here for everybody. If you had a few extra bucks and you wanted to run to the vitamin shop or whatever, and you were looking around and like, what can I get? I definitely feel that the vitamin shop has a larger selection of keto-friendly things just because they have like a legit aisle, whereas like the GNCs I've been to, they only have like a little like tiny little shelf and it's like a few things here and there. I will say that keto is very much more popular than it's ever been. It's super friendly, you know, the things you can find at regular stores, all these even by having keto stuff out now. So I feel like if it was ever a thing that you thought maybe you weren't going to be able to be successful on it because of, you know, how hard it is to find stuff, then they kind of helped us out. So I appreciate that. If you guys have tried any of these things, let me know which one was your favorite, or if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. I'm sure our friends would always like to see what else they could try. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see y'all on the next one. Take it easy, friends.